Mosby here with another video, another blog for you to go out here and make it happen, for you to go out and change your life. And what we're doing is helping people do exactly that. Change their life, achieve extraordinary results in their business, achieve and attract more in their life. And that's what you can do by tuning into these videos and stay plugged in so that you can stay turned on. And just to kind of give you some background about myself, my name is Rahman Mosby. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, born and raised. Took the traditional route to success, went to school, got an education, got a job, worked a job, and found out fast that this wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted if I continued to work this job. I wanted to attract more. I wanted to achieve more. I wanted more out of life. And one thing that I found that was common with everybody who had the lifestyle that I wanted, they all were in business for themselves. So I figured, hey, if they're in business for themselves and they had that lifestyle, then that's what I need to do. I looked into the network marketing industry, jumped in with both feet, and never looked back. I mean, I changed my life, and you can change yours. We travel in the world. We're helping a lot of people. And more important than that, when you impact other people's lives, you literally impact yours. And that's what it's about, impacting other people's lives and changing other people's lives for the better so that they can achieve and attract more, and you can achieve and attract more. We're going to talk about communication. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a video to go over 4 different types of characteristics that we all have. And it'll help you in communicating with people. Because when you understand in business, you got to understand people. And you want to understand who you're dealing with. Whether you're a CEO for a traditional business and you have a lot of employees and you want to know who you're dealing with as far as your leadership. If you're in a network marketing company, you're constantly dealing with people every single day. A lot of different characteristics. Even if you're calling just people every day, if you're in sales, we're dealing with all types of people, and we want to know how to influence those people. And there's 4 different types of characteristics that help you influence people, which in turn will help you be more successful in business. Now, all humans have 4 different characteristic traits which influences us. And if you want to be a person of influence, you want to know what these traits are. Now, we all are money motivated in some way. We all are help motivated, who like to help people. We all like to have fun. And we all are fact motivated, or like the information. But one of them is our predominant trait. And if you want to influence thousands and thousands of people, you must know how to motivate us by touching on or kind of triggering these traits when you're influencing people. Now, what we're going to kind of share today is a person who was influenced by help. And that's what we call a whale. Now, a person that like to be influenced by help, they talk at a slower pace, they're more laid back, they're into like nature and things like that. They really use words like feeling, and they're into their feelings, and they're into other people's feelings. So that's how you want to speak with them. You want to talk with a person who like to help through their own lenses. So when you're motivating them, and when you're influencing them, you want to talk about things that can help them, or things that is driven by a cause or help, some type of cause or anything that got to do with help. That's what you want to talk about when you influence a person that likes to help other people. Cause may be, for example, hey, we helping out people, or what we doing is helping people achieve their goals and dreams, or we helping people get off their jobs, or whatever gets to do with helping. That's what a motivated help person, because they like to help people. They're interested in like the life, and they're interested in their laid back people. So you want to kind of share with them and talk with them in their own. You want to talk to them through their own lenses, because we all got our own shades on. We all see through our own eyes. And that's what you got to understand when you're influencing people. But talking to a money motivated person about help is not going to motivate that person. Or talking to a help person about how much fun that we're having, and how much fun and how much we travel the world. If they're not motivated on that for travel or having fun, then you're not going to really influence that person. So you got to understand that communication is about influence, and leadership is about influence. And if you want to influence people, you got to recognize the differences in people, and you want to kind of talk to them in their own view. You want to talk to them and speak with a person in their own eyes, because everybody is seeing the world through their own lenses. Remember, we're going to touch on the other 3 characteristics in our videos to come. So stay tuned, and remember this: there's no take 2 in life. So let's go out here and make it happen and live our dreams, and you can do it. See you at the top.